Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today we are going to do a review on my new folding knife. It is Opinel Classic Adventurer SS No8 leather lace. But before we get into that review, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here is my new folding knife, and it's Opinel Classic Adventurer SS No8 leather lace, and I got this one for Christmas, and I'm really happy with it because I always wanted one of these for a long time now. And when I checked the specs on this one, the size, it says one size. No specific length when it's folded like this or opened. But you have some specs on the blade length, and that is 8.5 centimeters, which is a decent size for a folding knife. And the blade material is Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel. And this beautiful handle is made of beech. And this is the natural color, which I like. You can have these in OD green, and I believe you can get these in red as well. But I prefer this natural color. It's more beautiful that way. And leather lace is this little leather lanyard. And here's the thing with Opinel. Let's open it. You open it, okay? But how do you lock the blade? Well, you see this ring? You just twist it, and now you can't fold it. It just stays there. So you twist this ring again, like that, and you fold it back. So let's open it again and lock it on place. So the blade is beautiful. I like the shape of it. It's a clip point, I believe, and it looks like this on the other side. It says Opinel, and it is made in France. Simple construction, and the blade is not that thick, but it's a folding knife, and you don't need that thick blades. But this one is razor sharp, straight out of box. So let's try and see if I can see how sharp this one is. Let's take the side of this envelope, okay? Oh yeah, this is really sharp. I don't even put much pressure on that envelope. So this one is really, really sharp, straight out of box. Okay. And it's a simple construction, and I like that. Simple constructions are most of the time the best way and best solution when it comes to knives, and especially folders. Don't make folders too complicated, because too many parts and too many things that can go wrong with them. So That's why I like this simple construction. Just twist the ring and fold the blade back. So, and you can't get poked by the tip of the blade either, which is really nice. And I like the shape and the curve here. I love that. And I love the shape on the back on this. And the other thing with this knife is it's very comfortable. It's really comfortable. I have no problem or issues. It's fit my hand perfectly. And yeah, overall, this is one of the best knives, best folders, I should say. And because it's so simple and razor sharp, that is what you want from a knife, especially a folder. And any knife, you want them razor sharp. But the handle is nice and smooth. I have no issues with it. And I really love this beautiful little knife because it's lightweight. This one does not weigh that much, and I don't know the exact weight on this one. But compared to my other knife folders, this one is heavier than this one is. And this one is even heavier than this one. So a lightweight knife is a good thing. Too heavy and too bulky, that can make you sit really uncomfortable, especially when you begin to carve in some or cut things. You want a knife folder that is comfortable. And Opinel is, as far as I know, commonly used by the bushcrafters, after what I have seen. And I have seen also some preppers have Opinel as well. So guys, what do you think about a folder like this? Please let me know in the comments. And a folder like this is affordable. I pay $100. It cost. I didn't pay for it. But when I checked the price up, it almost cost 200 Swedish crowns. So that would be almost $20. You can count on it, count for yourself and see to convert it, to get it right. So I can highly recommend this one. And they have different models of Opinel, so I suggest you get one, because it's a nice knife, a beauty to cut with, and I really enjoy this. But that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. But before I go, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So, until the next one, take care, stay safe, God bless, and stay prepared. Shadow Scout Swede out.